Sage X3 is an integrated enterprise resource planning software designed for businesses to streamline processes across finance, inventory, manufacturing, and more. Here's how to use it. Log into Sage X3. Access Sage X3 through the web browser by entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen. Navigate to the interface. The dashboard provides quick access to various modules, including finance, sales, purchasing, inventory, and manufacturing. Use the menu bar to access specific modules and functions. Managing financials. In the Financials module, you can manage accounting, bank reconciliation, general ledger, and financial reports. Set up and track accounts payable, accounts receivable, and payroll. Inventory management. Under the Inventory module, manage stock levels, track goods receipts and shipment, and control inventory costs. Create and manage purchase orders and track supplier deliveries. Sales and purchasing. Use the Sales module to manage customer orders, pricing, invoicing, and sales forecasting. In purchasing, create purchase orders, manage suppliers, and process invoices. Reporting and analytics. Sage X3 provides advanced reporting tools to analyze data, create reports, and track performance metrics in real time. Customization. Sage X3 allows for customizing workflows and reports, making it adaptable to various industries.